How to create a new database user in DirectAdmin. We assume you have already logged into your DirectAdmin account. Now click this MySQL Management icon. In this MySQL Management interface, you can create new databases and manage existing ones. Here it shows the existing databases. Click the database whose new user you wish to create. We can see existing users of this database here. Now click Create New User. Let's assign a username and password to this new user. Enter username and password in the text input boxes provided. When ready, click Create. Now copy and save the username and password for this new user. The new user will require it to access this database. Here is the new user we just created. Thank you for watching.